Hey guys, so today I have got this month's Witch Casket box to show you. This is the May box. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it's a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post it worldwide, it's all different prices. I'll put the ones that I do know down below in the description, but if your country isn't there, you will just have to check the website. I've not opened this yet, I've not even had a little sneak peek or anything, so we're going to open it together now. So, right on the top we have our little booklet as always, which says the theme and stuff for the month. Kind of goes with my little jumpsuit that I'm wearing. The theme for this one is Herbology, and it seems to be like a black and green sort of theme. So this little booklet just tells you information about all of the items in the box. We're not going to go through that, I'm just going to show you, but if you do need more information, if you get the box, then that is what this is for. Then next we have our little art print for the month, so you always get a little art print, and this one is sort of like a little altar. It's got a cauldron, some books, some crystals, there's a little window here with a pumpkin outside. It's very cute, little mini art print. Then next we have a little envelope, and on it says Witches Apothecary Labels. So I'm going to assume that in here there is some labels to stick on jars. I was trying to open it nicely but ripped it already. Okay, so in here we have 3 different little sheets. We've got this one, which is more of a brown, like kind of distressed, older looking sort of label. We've got a little coffin, circle, all different kinds of ones there. We've got this white sheet that's got a black border, so they're not showing up great, but there is lots of different ones on there. And then we've got this one, which is kind of like a brown paper sort of look. These really aren't showing up very well, but you can kind of see the little cutout patterns. So that is our apothecary labels for jars or whatever you want to put those on. Then next we've got a little booklet, so it's called The Little Book of Herbal Magic by Deb Robinson. That is one of the creators of Witch Casket, so she's actually made this book herself. It says on the back, an overview of herbal magic with simple yet powerful spells for abundance, cleansing, empowerment, happiness, healing, love and protection. Each category within this book includes a list of herbs, plants and fruits. It's not a definitive list, but it gives many options for you to choose from. So we've got abundance magic, all the different herbs for that, a little spell, charm bags, bath rituals, healing magic, loads and loads of different ones in this book. It's very well made, it's all colourful with little pictures and stuff, so that's our little herbal magic book. Then next we have our spell kit for the month, so you always get a spell kit, and this one is a calming witch's brew kit. It says it contains everything you need to make your own magical brew, so I will open this and show you what is in here. Okay, so that is what our little instruction card looks like. I'll hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. And then we have our little tea pouch. And then we have a chamomile and a lemon verbena. So that is everything that comes in the Calming Witch's Brew Kit. Next we have a cute little black pouch with a green design on there. I'm assuming that's supposed to be like a thistle or something like that. And in here we have, oh, it's like a little scoop, like a little bronze scoop. I'm assuming that's for herbs, and obviously it's a herbal box, so using that to put herbs into different things. So that is our little herbal scoop. Then next we have our pin, so we always get a little enamel pin, and this month it's kind of like a bronze diamond shape with a pentacle on there. It's quite unusual actually. It's only got 1 pin on the back. It's very cute. Then next we have our little crystal for the month, or gemstone, and this one is a moss agate, so it's a very dark green colour. My camera's not focusing, there we go. Very dark green with little bits of white and grey, black going through it. And for this one, it says, moss agate is a stone of emotional balance and growth. It helps us to process and understands our emotions and aids with new beginnings. A perfect stone for emotional healing, stability, and spiritual grounding. So that is our little stone that we got. Next, we have a little box, and this says Spellcasting Herb Bowl Set. On the side it says, use this magical trio of bowls to prepare your herbs ready for your spells and rituals. They can also be used as small offering bowls, crystal or curiosity dishes. Seems a very small box for 3 bowls, but let's have a look. Oh, these are really cute actually. Okay, so move that. I actually love these. So we have 3 different ones. They're all black. This one has a little moon in the center. I don't know if I'm holding it the right way. That one's got a moon. That one has a little pentacle, and then that one has a different little moon. So that is our 3 little bowls. They are so cute. You could definitely leave those on the side as a little trinket dish for rings and stuff if you wanted to as well. So that is the 3 of those. Then next we have a Herbology Oracle. I love when Witch Casket sends sets of cards. They are always my favourite. They're always so pretty. So this says, this enchanting deck offers insight into the areas which need your focus. Pull a card to offer inspiration as you go about your daily life and discover what needs your attention to promote happiness and well-being. So let's open these up and see what is in here. Okay, so on the back of them it does just say Witch Casket Herbology Oracle. Usually they kind of have a prettier back pattern, I'm not gonna lie, but that's fine. The front of them is very colourful, all different kinds of green colours. It looks like when you're trying to find a paint for your wall and you get all those little cards. And they all have just different herbs and flowers and stuff on. So we've got chives, dill, mint, all things that my rabbit loves eating, parsley, vervain, sage, all different ones. So that is what they look like. And then at the bottom it tells you what they do as well. So for example, bay leaf for success, lemongrass for spiritual cleansing, etc. So that is our little Herbology Oracle deck. Then we've got a few things left still. So next we have our little talisman. I think this might be the last one in the set. So this one, yep, is part 5, and this one is Spirit. So one side says Witch Casket Spirit, and the other side has the little spirit element design. So it says, this exclusive talisman is one of a series of 5 designed and created exclusively for our subscribers to represent the 5 sacred elements of earth, air, fire, water and spirit. So this is our last one. Has a little hook on the top, so you could put it on a keyring or a necklace or whatever you wanted to really. So that is that. Then we have this, which is a little box, and it says Abundance Herb Blend, a magical blend of mint, vervain and basil. Use this magical herb blend in spells and rituals to attract abundance. Use to dress or circle candles, to add to charm bags and spell jars, or in ritual baths. So this is basically just a little pouch of herbs. I'm not going to show you them, obviously it's going to go everywhere, but that's just a little herb blend in that box. And then the last item before our scroll is a herb drying hanger, which is pretty cool. I think we got one of these quite a long time ago. Probably not the same, but we did get another herb drying thing a long time ago. It says, take small bunches of herbs and hang them on the hanger, spacing them far enough apart so they aren't touching. Put the hanger in a dark, cool, dry spot where there's good air circulation. Check on them every couple of days to test for dryness and make sure that they're not rotting. You now have magical herbs to save and use in your craft. I was actually thinking about one of these the other day because we buy so much parsley and coriander and stuff for chili, and he just doesn't eat the whole bag. So I was thinking maybe I could dry some and give him dry herbs. But this is what it looks like. It's like a little hanging wooden plaque, and it's got little engraved pictures of different herbs across the front, and then it's got another rope here. We've also got this, which I'm assuming is like little pegs to peg the herbs on across there. So that's pretty cool, a unique little item. Obviously not everyone is going to want to use that, but I think that's a pretty nice thing to get. So yeah, that's a pretty cute little item. And then the last thing we have is our scroll, as always. So I will unravel this and show you what this one says. So this one is about simple herb potions. We've got a love potion, an emotional healing potion, a headache potion, a deep sleep potion, a confidence potion, and an abundance potion. So I will hold this up. If anyone wants to pause it, they can do. I'm just going to make the camera darker. It's a very, very light font, so hopefully you can see that. So yeah, that was everything in our May Witch Casket box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the wooden herb drying hanger, the little book of herbal magic, the witch's apothecary labels, a little set of 3 in there, our mini little art print, the Herbology Oracle deck, the Calming Witch's Brew Kit, the Abundance Herb Blend, little box of herbs, the Moss Agate Crystal or Gemstone, the Spirit Talisman, our 5th one in the set, the little herb scoop, our little enamel pin, the spellcasting herb balls, the little set of 3, and our paper scroll as always. So all of these items in the May Witch Casket box. I actually really liked this one. These little bowls are so cute. I'm definitely going to use those. I liked the range of weird things, like I liked the little herb drying rack and stuff. I think this pin is quite unusual as well. I love the deck of cards. I think this was a really good box this month, so you'll have to let me know what you guys thought of it down below in the comments. I'll put all of the information for Witch Casket in the description below in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.